prelims is on 7th. So we'll begin with prelims का छोटा सा. First of all, a few general things about prelims. सबसे पहले तो do not spend more than 2 months exclusively on prelims. ठीक है? This is one mistake that I've seen a lot of people make कि वो सिर्फ prelims की तैयारी करते रहते हैं अगस्त तक and then they think कि जब result आएगा then we'll prepare for mains. Do not do that. ठीक है? If you are a sincere student, if you are working hard, I can assure you you'll get through prelims. And I can say this because I was doing MD, you know, in pediatrics till November 2014. I resigned from it in December. उसके बाद I came back. I started preparing for mains first. Someone told me कि पहले mains की तैयारी करो. And starting from May of 2015, I started preparing for prelims. And I got through prelims. ठीक है? And so this is what I want to say कि आप prelims की ज़्यादा tension मत लें. If you are sincere, you will get through. Because it is a qualifying exam. Keep this in your mind. You know, you will get nothing by getting 200 out of 200 in prelims. ठीक है? Now that CSAT is made qualifying, उसके लिए ज़्यादा कुछ बात करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. It's just maths plus minus English थोड़ा सा. It's 10th level का चीज़ है. तो do not worry about it. Do not go for special ये वो 10 minutes 30 minutes वाली classes. It's very simple. And anybody with a little bit of aptitude can get through paper 2 of prelims. Paper 1, which is GS. उसके बारे में in short what I can tell you is that आप जो भी पढ़ रहे हो, whatever you are reading, notes हो, books हो, spectrum हो, current affair हो, anything that you are reading should be supplemented with doing test papers. That is the most important advice that anybody can give you about prelims. मैंने जून जुलाई तक भी काफ़ी सारा मेंस का पढ़ा था because I had my brother guiding me and उसने मुझे बोला था कि 23rd अगस्त को prelims है तो तुम क्या करो 1st अगस्त को जाओ किसी भी 2 reputed coaching centers के सारे papers ले आओ. So get some 40-50 papers and finish them in 20 days. And those will be, that is the preparation that is required for cracking prelims. And this is something very true. इसीलिए मैं कह रही थी have a little trust in me. आप कितना भी पढ़ लें, you can learn whole of spectrum, you can learn all of economics, पूरा current affair. It will not be more helpful than solving about 20 test papers. ठीक है? Because there is no syllabus of prelims, unlike mains. Prelims will catch everything which is under the sun. So इसके लिए it is very essential that you have joined this. This is a very reputed place of course. तो आप यहाँ के coaching के papers ले लें, कहीं और के ले लें. You have any other guidance, somebody giving you papers, do it. Online मिल रहे हो, do that. The most important advice regarding prelims. Number 2 that I can tell you, sources तो सबको पता होते हैं.